What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on your chess.com. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in chess.com. Then you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of chess.com. Now on your left side, you will see two options of login and sign up. So if you are new to chess.com, simply click on sign up and sign up with your email and password. But if you already have a chess.com account, just simply log in with that email account. And after signing or logging in, you will be redirected to this dashboard as you can see on your screen. And from here, hover to settings and click on all settings. Now, after clicking on all settings, click on profile. After clicking on profile, then you hover here on your public profile. When you just hover here and click here on add image and on camera icon you can just simply add your profile picture as per your wish, and after that you can see your profile picture will be uploaded. And if you want to remove your profile picture, you can simply click on remove to remove your profile picture. And if you want to add another picture, simply click again here and then you can and add another picture like this one, and I'll hit open. So after that it will be uploaded to my profile photo on chess.com. So this is how you can upload your profile photo on chess.com. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.